You do it.
Killed him. Okay, shut up. Yo, what's up, guys? How are you all today? We are playing Rivals 3v3 with my guy Takuna here. Where's Takuna?
Takuna went to
Taku-
get the milk.
Takuna, that is not allowed. Please, I'll kick you.
Okay. That's the goat.
Takuna, that's not allowed. Takuna. Okay, so our strat will be
Go out, Captain
that.
Sir.
Listen,
Hello,
Takuna
I
and Dragon.
crashed one.
Dragon and Takuna, both of you listen. Our strat will be Gyusa, listen. Our strat will be that we'll camp first until and unless 3 or 4 people are killed. We'll camp. Okay. Choose small
Crossroads
crossroads.
are right.
Small crossroads. Everything is a big map. Okay. We'll camp.
Castles.
Choose right shield. Everyone has right shield. Even Takuna has right shield.
I don't.
Never mind. You will cover. You will get covered by our right shield.
Okay, cool. Even this hide. Hello.
Listen, why did I choose right shield? Okay, yeah. Come. We are going in the corner. Right now we are going. Don't go up. I accidentally got up. I'm coming. Sorry. Yeah, come here. You got on the go on that corner. Go on that corner. Where's Takuna? Takuna is doing suicide. Takuna is doing suicide. Yeah, he did suicide. Go up. He's an RPG spammer. Go up. Go on the wires.
Takes one to know one. That's correct.
Killed one. Got
And
killed
my
by one.
revolver shell.
Bro, it is an RPG spammer. What are we supposed to do? At least the RPG spammer doesn't win. Never mind.
Okay, the RPG spammer will probably win. Why? Because
No, she won't. Listen, you have to become. Our RPG spammer needs to do some work. Boy, RPG spammer, do some work. Takuna. Hello. I went up with a right shield and she killed me. How did she kill me? I'll give information of everybody. Never mind. Unless you two are dead, I can't. Right now, Takuna is doing nothing in life. Takuna is dead. Takuna is 4 people on Takuna. Yeah, you have infinite lag. You somehow did an assist. You're dead. You're getting sniped. Obviously you die. Listen, this time, listen. This time we have to do something in life. No. Yes, he's right. After this we're doing a 1v1. No teaming allowed, random all.
Random all.
Yes.
Yeah, that's gonna be the end of it.
No RPG allowed. That's the reason. Why are you up there? I told you to base camp. If someone is trying to kill you, I'll kill them. Where did he go? Wait, let me hit a trick shot real quick. Never mind. That was a freaking shot only. Who's this? Okay, it's a 2v2. I know where he is. Death is coming, little bro.
Where?
I did 10 damage, 20 damage to him. Yay! I think Takuna is leaving.
I think Takuna is not Takuna anymore. I must remember medkit.
Yeah, I have that. I think Takuna became Takuna.
No, Takuna became Milkuna.
We are not killing the bazooka spammer, okay?
What about the guy who's right here?
Okay, kill the bazooka spammer. Now it's a 3v3. Now it's a 3v3 or a 2v3 because Takuna is AFK. And even Takuna is dead, obviously. It's a oh shit, I have the bazooka spammer on my face. I'll kill her. You deal with other guys. Never mind, I got killed by her. I'm running. Yeah, how did she kill me mid-air? What are you fighting for?
Never mind,
Never mind. You're dead. Takuna, come back!
I'm cooked, bro. I have so much. Bro, she was standing still for me.
What is Takuna doing?
Yellow, I'm back.
Oh, finally, we are getting cooked.
Kuna, what are you doing? You
We
were
need
supposed
to
be
play.
cooning.
You need to kill the RPG spammer. That one.
What about the sniper?
I will deal with. Plus, you need
No,
to
I
be a
will deal with.
sacrifice as well.
Oh, I almost died.
Yeah, you will
I
deal
did.
with this. I did 50 damage to one of the snipers.
I
Why
killed
Why?
are you guys not helping me, huh?
I have a very bad amount of HP. Okay, never mind. Now it's better.
RPG kill me.
Obviously, that's the reason. Okay, it's killing Afras. It killed Afras.
Oh, wait, using spear.
jump off.
He was using spear. Plus, has one very strong. That's great spear. Bro, you can't hit snipes. You ain't him.
I am.
Not in cross. Not.
You can't do this, bro.
I
Crossroads
can.
is the hardest map to use sniper, bro. And
I'm
everybody
running.
knows people are gonna use sniper.
I must use
Right, so
crossbow, right? Crossbow AR or shotgun. Remember how you used to use shotgun?
Crossbow will cook here. I know it. Oh, she's the only one remaining.
yeah.
Oh shit! I didn't realize that. Okay, if I need to hit a head here, I need. Oh shit! Never mind.
You got
Not my fault.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm
Am I
choosing RPG. Freak it. No, never mind. I'm choosing crossbow. So guys, what we're
We
trying
all
to do
remember.
here, if you guys don't understand what we're trying to do, we are trying to cook them. That's the only thing in life we're trying to do.
I understand nothing and no one.
Why one?
The C alone is the honored one.
The RP. I'm
Why can't I hit that?
go down right. I'm having
Hello.
I got the RPG showdown ended with me dying.
Yeah, she is killing me as well. Don't mind me if I
And
die.
I'm being chased from both directions.
Yeah, I know who's here.
I'll help you. Or try to help you.
Helping is not working, bro.
Oh God,
Yeah, I know.
he came to my like,
Why are you
what was
dying?
that? And
Bro, honestly just said, what's up, Bozo?
What's
Bro,
up, Bozo?
Bro, honestly just said that.
We are using RPG. Frick it. At least I'm using RPG. I'm going to cook them now. I don't even want a good career right now. Now you're cooked. Now you're cooked. Why are you running now, little bro? That gunblade bro is running now. I did 500 damage to him. Now they're cooked. Now obviously they're cooked.
I'm nearly dead. I'm nearly dead.
I'm gonna kill the RPG. Don't worry about her. I'll kill the sniper first, cause why not? RPG is too hard to kill.
I found the RPG.
I 62 damage the guy using.
I need to look at my god.
Why was it on reload?
So I'm nearly.
If RPGs dies, we win.
Gonna have
I
a
did-
duel, bro.
I did 100 damage to the sniper. I need reload. I can't die.
I died. RPG. RPG is right there.
I know. Both of them are low. At least the sniper is low. Kill the sniper. Yeah, we cooked them. We cooked them because of me. I killed two guys. I killed two guys. You killed one guy. And Nexus / Thakuna, bro did nothing. Oh, bro, why are we after this? We're doing a 1v1v1.
All random.
Yes.
And Takuna, if you come to my house every single day, I will crash out. Okay, RPG is on me. I'm cooked.
RPGs on them. They are
RPG.
cooked. RPGs. Yeah, I'm cooked. Snipers are on me. I'm cooked. I'm going to kill the RPG. You handle the other guys.
Bro,
We didn't. Expected that from you.
you honestly handled nothing.
Yeah,
one guy-
seriously.
The one guy
We did.
has been trying
We
to
got
shoot
cooked. We got cooked.
shoot for so long, he had full health.
We are
And he
got
didn't even have
cooked. We got cooked.
Oh, I was having
Let's do a 1v1v1, but no random.
Yes, all random, but one and only shart, all random.
No, I'm
What?
still alive.
No
Sorry,
random,
guys,
bro.
I want to
Oh, all
change
random.
Singapore. Can we change server Singapore? Not it.
No, it's not. Yeah, I love Singapore.
I'm in Singapore.
I
getting,
love Singapore.
I'm getting a good 4 FPS now.
Yeah, seriously.
A good
I'm getting
4
a I'm getting a good 20 FPS.
I got 4.
Bro, why Sammy? Bro, why?
I'm
These
getting
guys
a
are.
good G. I'm getting a good negative FPS.
Wait.
Bro, you know that all of our internet connections will join us to different servers.
No.
Either you
Come.
or Ahmed sir always get Singapore for some reason.
Yeah. We will always
Yeah, why
get
do I always
Singapore.
get Singapore, huh? I'm not even Singapore.
Bro, wait. I need to do something IRL real quick. Wait, fire. 2 minutes. Wait, 2 minutes.
Okay.
Wait, only 2 minutes. I need to go somewhere. I need to drink water. Some water.
English unless it takes longer than 2 minutes. You need to water your water.
Yeah. How did you know? How did you know? We're exposing you, Ahmed. Ahmed muted himself.
Yes, powdered
Hello.
water, the best product in the world.
Hello, Ahmed's recording.
Yes, of course, powdered water, the best product in the universe.
POV when you hear powdered water.
It actually exists.
I know.
No. My cousin who the F decided powdered water is.
Yo, I'm back.
You're
Where
back
are-
from well.
Yeah, where are you? Let's do a 1v1v1.
I'm
Oh, I'm
standing.
the back from watering your water.
Yes, I'm back from watering my water. Would you guys mind joining, like doing a
Yes,
1v?
powdered water is the best.
I will kill you IRL. Takuna, I have a
I'm
joke.
blue. You yellow.
No, you piece of.
Yes, powdered water
Oi,
is the best product
Get
in the
out,
universe.
get out. Takuna,
I'm
where
coming.
were you? Takuna.
Dang.
Yes, Takuna, come. Good. Bro, perfect timing.
Random, all random.
Random all.
Yes, guys, powdered water, the best product in the universe. Powdered
Yes.
water.
That's
Come on!
Instant water.
Oh, bro, I
I'm
got
gonna
it.
be weak.
Instant
I got
water.
This time I'm sad to see an RPG.
Didn't you get RPG this time?
I did get an RPG this time.
So what?
I'm sad right now. The
I'm
best
not.
of-
Yeah, because you're somehow gonna find me. I knew it for a How? How do you always find me? Why only me? Is
It
Ahmed
was-
not in your
He killed me. He's killing me. He's killing me right now. If you know that. I also have RPG. He killed me. Yeah, he killed me.
You really did.
the RPG, bro. have
I
more
also had an RPG. He can
What
see
the
you.
heck?
He is a sniper. Run! He is a sniper.
Larper.
I do not.
Yeah, you're dead.
I missed.
Bro thinks he is him. Oh wow, bro, you're hacking.
How?
Mobile aim for no reason.
Oh bro, I got my best weapon here is my secondary.
My best weapon here is my fourth weapon. They
Oh,
are
I have
saying
to quick
something.
melee this. I forgot I have to. Bro, what is quick melee? Oh yeah,
Melee
E.
basically the melee ability real quickly.
No,
For example, snipe.
I was asking the hotkey. It's E. Found it.
Hello, bro.
That is my best weapon. Why are you using it? Oh wow, Aura Pro Max. Look behind you, homie. I'm running away from you. Why? Yeah, Surfa
Bye-bye.
wins. Surfa, don't use that. Surfa, you're dead. Never mind.
Oh, that was so far away.
Now it's my time to shine. Let
Okay.
him cook.
Yeah,
Never mind, I'm dead. I'm
Oh.
dead.
I am gonna
Yeah.
Hello. Bro, I'm just running. I don't want to live. No, I mean I want to live. I don't want any fights.
No. Come back here. You haven't paid my rent.
Bro, why is everybody behind me? Okay. Supernova, you're dead.
Where is he at? Where's he at? Where's
I
he
ain't
at?
telling ya. I'll tell Hologamer instead. He's in the house. You can easily crossbow him right now.
I saw that. No, no, I'm not staying there. I saw that.
He has a grenade.
Wait, I have this.
Yeah, you can kill him easily.
Oh shit. Oh shit, I missed.
Surfa, do something.
I was stabbing him. But
You
did you
usually feedback me, so this is my revenge for us.
Bro, I want something good. Actually, are you serious right now? I want to quit right now.
I
Are
got
you sure about that?
I got a loadout I would normally use.
Oh, hello, bro. Take a flare. It's very tasty. I heard.
I'm getting 21 FPS, bro. GG's.
So much FPS, bro. Why
I have 19. I have 19. Bro has a bazooka. Somebody
I have-
got a bazooka. Somebody got a bazooka.
Bro, really, took the meme seriously. Rest in peace, my granny is cut by the bazooka.
Oh, now I'm running, bro. I'm dead. I'm dead. Obviously, I'm dead. Bro, why am I not getting good weapons actually?
I nearly died. I nearly died from going out of the map.
You have a freaking crossbow. You have a bazooka. I don't have any. You got the. I quit.
How do you know I have crossbow, huh?
Because I'm spectating you right now.
Oh, I didn't realize you're dead.
Bro took 10 minutes to realize I'm dead. What are you looking at? He's coming on you from beneath you. Oh, never mind. You change places.
Yeah.
Kill him! He's in front of your
How much
eyes.
damage?
I don't see him.
Not you, the other one. Look at one. Never mind.
Loki,
Surfa wins. Surfa wins. GG.
Where are you?
I
No,
just
he
saw you.
doesn't. You win. Surfa Tuna doesn't win.
Where are you?
I
I just
don't
saw
know.
you. I just saw you. jump.
Yay! I'm so happy. I want to live more instead of dying.
I swear if Amrit gets AR, no, not AR, like that
Bazooka.
thing again, like RPG.
Bazooka.
Bazooka. Yeah, we get RPG. I'm gonna crash out.
I'm going to out crash.
I'm gonna crash
Right
in.
now I'm stalking my prey in silence.
I don't
Wait.
think
Fucking heaven.
he's behind you if you know it.
Yeah, I know, and I'm gonna die, so I just accepted my fate. How am I alive still? How? How? I swear, I should die. Kill me. How? Bro, I
Easy to
have 4 HP. Ahmed, kill me. I have 4 HP. Just kill me. I'm in the middle. Kill me. I have 4 HP.
Aslan. Ever that was over. That was big over.
Bro, I have 4
A
HP.
little overkill. Little overkill.
No, guys, how did Afras fail to kill me? I had 4 HP. 4 HP.
Somebody
I got-
tell the Molotov to kill him. Somebody tell the Molotov to do his job.
I couldn't throw a Molotov. I was in my. It was in the.
Hello, Bozo.
Hello, Bozo.
Says the person got hit.
Okay.
Says the
Why-
person who is the Bozo.
Hello? Hello, little bro. You want some milk?
It's what's up, little bro.
You can go
And
to the
that-
grocery mart and buy it.
What the hell?
Oh, my
Oh.
gosh! Where did you
What's
come?
up, little bro?
Coke.
Bro, just backstab me. Ahmed, Afras knows how to knife. I'm so
Okay, let's do a
proud.
knife battle. Let's do a knife battle.
Afras knows how to knife. I'm so proud, Ahmed.
Yeah, seriously. Let's see.
I'm like proud how I don't even care to kill me. Afras
Wait,
is supposed to
he will actually kill me. He will actually kill me. Oh!
Yeah,
Bro, Afras is a better knifer. You switch to AR.
No. I am a better knifer than him. If we do a bro, I was freaking. You did freaking 50, 100 damage to me because of your AR. That's the reason
Which
Bro, I didn't even have AR. I died.
I mean your freaking flare. You know what I'm talking about.
I just saw Ahmed, so I just went.
I just saw a battle axe.
Yeah.
And me, to be exact, me and the Hollow Gamer don't have battle axe.
Why didn't you buy it?
Why not?
It does a
terrible.
lot. I got him to 95.
Well, I'm cooked.
45
Yeah.
HP.
Fucking fly.
Oh!
I'm
Auto aim.
I'm scared.
Actually, bro, what the hell was that? It was pure auto aim. How
Bro,
did I
clip,
get auto aim here?
bro, clip
How?
You
on.
have I don't care if you're mobile or not. You have auto aim.
Bro, I don't. I actually don't. But you have with the sniper you're using right now
Sniper.
and a revolver. You are using a sniper and a revolver. I saw
I-
it. Don't
Oh,
think I'm
sniper.
little.
Come here. Then look at my sniper.
I think that's a bazooka.
Looking at sniper be like.
I think that is a sniper.
My sniper.
I'm sure that is a sniper.
What a wonderful sniper you have, Aslan.
I'm sure that's a sniper. Don't try.
Sniper.
Did you do damage to him at least?
Such a beautiful sniper, man. Such a beautiful.
Did you do
sniper.
damage to the sniper?
Yup, I did.
Yeah, the sniper. Did a lot of that.
Sniper killed me.
The
Yeah,
sniper.
look at the sniper. Look at this.
From now on, we're gonna call this weapon the sniper. Okay?
And the other one the bazooka.
Yeah.
Wait,
Nice. Rest in peace, Granny.
Granny got cooked. Oi! I'm trying to do something. I'm trying to do that quick melee thing. I think someone has bazooka. I'm sure someone has bazooka.
I'm still not used to it, so it's confusing for me.
I'm just.
I just saw the house flash in front of my eyes. Like, what the heck? Oh, I know.
I saw bazooka. I saw bazooka. I'm sure of that. I saw bazooka. I'm dead. I'm dead to the bazooka. Bye bye.
Bro, it's
No, this.
Hey,
Hey, Dad, come back here.
I know he's using the bazooka. I saw it.
Me?
I saw the bazooka.
Oh, really? Oh, what a beautiful bazooka I have. What a beautiful.
Not about you, the other one. Hollow. Hollow has a bazooka. Be ready for that.
Okay.
Don't
Well,
go
I
out.
guess
Don't go out. You will get killed by a bazooka.
I'm gonna be
Okay.
talking to them. Bro, follow gamer. Okay, aata hu. Emma, Aslan, we have to talk.
Bro, don't say the real thing.
Where are you?
please.
That's my.
He has a bazooka. Why are you going close to him? He has a bazooka. Yeah, go close to him. Never mind. Go close to him. Oh, Sarfa wins. Sarfa wins.
Where is Sarfa?
Sarfa is in front of your eyes.
I'm behind the red house.
He had the sniper, but I was calling it the bazooka because we changed name.
Yeah, that's great. That's great for me, I guess.
My best weapon is a pay to win weapon, but I didn't buy it as a pay to win weapon. So now you guys know I have the Medukit.
That's your win pay. Correct. Oh,
Win.
we have sniper battle. Hey,
Cyber battle, wow. Let's see the cyber battle going on. Where is the cyber battling? Where is the cyber battling battling happen? Okay, I saw it.
I speared him so much that he's 15 HP right now.
That's exactly how much damage my weapon does if he had a head.
oh, so you have AR. Good to know. Good to know.
No, I don't.
He got the
So I
sniper.
put my laptop.
Aslan
Where?
quit.
Bro, came out of nowhere. Oh, you didn't know that was. Okay.
Sorry,
so I'm
sorry. Actually, sorry.
Time for fists. I'm the puncher. I'm gonna be John Cena.
And his name is John Trash because he has no aura.
John Cena, Toronto.
That's why these fists are rated E for everyone, bro.
Really? I thought they were rated S.
I thought they were rated F.
They're rated as plus. Where you at, bro? Where you at?
How do I get up here? I'm trapped in an area.
Should I help you?
No, please don't. Where are you guys?
I am hitting John Cena right now. I'm trying to fight John Cena here. Oh shit.
John Cena fisted you. Mr. Fister. Oh no. Oh hell.
I still can't climb up here.
You have a freaking sniper.
Bro. Aslan, at the very least, use your auto aim.
Can't.
This is
I
disrespectful. This is disrespectful to everybody.
How?
Low key disrespect.
You're not Gen Z. Oi!
I also
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
I was trying.
Now
I was trying to waste time. I was okay. Another